In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix Newsletter Tutorial 2025, how to create a newsletter. Let's start inside your Wix dashboard by opening Setup. From there, head to Marketing, then select Email Marketing. This brings you to the email tools where you can choose Reach your audience with branded emails. You'll see the option to let AI help, but for full control, choose Start Email from Scratch. In the editor, click the main highlighted header area and add a catchy header. Type your headline text so readers immediately know what the email is about. Next, switch between the Design and Content tabs to fine-tune the look and wording. Use the highlighted controls to adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment so everything matches your brand. If your audience reads right to left, toggle the right to left option for proper text flow. If not, ensure it's set the standard way so your text aligns as expected. Once you're happy with the layout, use the highlight options again to make any final tweaks. Then you're ready to choose who receives the email. Move to Add Recipients. Open your contacts and click Add Subscribers. You can select people individually or add a list. Use the highlights to confirm your choices, then explore segments if you want to target by behavior or attributes, and labels if you organize by tags. You can always return to the main contacts view to double-check the list. At the top, you'll see the campaign steps: Create, Add Recipients, and Campaign Overview. Jump to Campaign Overview when your list is set. In the overview, add a catchy header for your subject line. Confirm the sender details you want to appear in inboxes. If you see an Unable to Send Email campaign notice, click it. Wix will show what needs attention, so you can resolve it quickly. Before sending, click Send Test Email to preview the message in your inbox and spot any typos, spacing issues, or broken links. Back in the overview, use the highlighted options to review anything you want to polish: content, design, links, and settings. Make sure your logo displays correctly, your call to action stands out, and your text is easy to scan on both desktop and mobile. When everything looks good, choose Schedule. Pick the date and time that best suit your audience, and confirm. That's it. You've created a custom newsletter from scratch, set your recipients, reviewed the campaign, tested it, and scheduled it to go out. Save your design as a